Green onion dip made with yogurt and cream cheese. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. The first step is to cut your green onions, also known as scallions, into 1-inch lengths and finely chop the green tops. Set the green tops aside and soak the 1-inch pieces in cold water for about 15 minutes. This will remove some of their sharpness. Next, in a food processor, combine about half of the cream cheese, all of the yogurt, your onion pieces, freeze-dried chives, garlic, salt, and pepper. Process the mixture until mostly smooth. Give it a taste and add as much of the remaining cream cheese as you like to create the desired texture and consistency. Also season with a little more salt and pepper if necessary. Once smooth, add at least half of the reserved green onion tops and a bit of lime juice if you find that your dip tastes a little flat or a little sharp. Transfer it to a serving bowl, sprinkle some more of those green onion tops over it, and serve with your favorite dippers, such as potato chips, bell peppers, sugar snap peas, carrots, celery, and radishes. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.